Over the past 3 months, I've made around $9,000. I chose a trending niche, prehistoric AI documentaries, which gets tens of millions of views. I will teach you how to create the exact same cinematic documentaries using only AI tools. I'll show you the whole process step by step, and you will be able to start today. The first step is writing the prompt. Go to the free website Google AI Studio. This is an excellent tool for prompts. And on top of that, this AI can watch YouTube videos and analyze them. Copy the link to any video you wanted to analyze in our dinosaur niche and write this request. Watch the video. I need to create a similar video using AI. I need a storyline and the same kind of images for the video animation. My storyline is, a large scorpion fights a large crocodile. The graphics and atmosphere should match the same style as the example video. It will analyze the video and understand what we need. After that, immediately write the second request. Write the first prompt for an image. Start with a prehistoric forest inhabited by a giant scorpion, using the same graphic style as the video example. We get the first prompt, copy it, and move to the second tool, Google Flow. Here we will make the images and animate them. So sign up on the website and create a new project. Let's go through the settings right away. At the bottom left, click Settings. Leave it on always. Set the resolution to 16:9. Set the number of generations to 1. And choose Nano Banana Pro as the image generation model. Now for video, everything is the same, but change the generation model to VO 3.1 fast. That is all you need for good generation. Now paste in our first prompt and wait. Great, it turned out very high quality. The first character is the scorpion. Next, we will make the crocodile. In Google AI Studio, just come up with your own storyline and briefly describe what you need: nature, a character, or the environment. And it will write high quality and detailed prompts. Just copy and paste, and you will get the images. Generate as many images as you need. Besides the battle between the main characters, you also need to show the environment, secondary animals, and other details. This is how many images I got. Everything we need is shown here. And most importantly, the battle between the scorpion and the crocodile. Now let's make the animation. Write the request and send it the image so it understands what to animate. Now write the animation prompt. I'll send the images one by one. Write the animation prompt. Copy it and paste it into Google Flow. Move your cursor over the image you want to animate and click the Animate button. Then paste the prompt. And that's it. Wait for the animation to generate. Done. Let's watch it. As you can see, the animation looks great. Continue the same way. Send the image and write what will happen in the animation. Copy the finished prompt and animate it. If you want to increase the animation length, click on it. Then click the plus icon. Paste exactly the same prompt, and instead of an 8-second video, you will get 16 seconds without sharp cuts. Very convenient. When you finish making all the animations, do not forget to download them all and save them in a convenient place. The last step is putting all the videos together and editing. Go to any video editor. I have CapCut. Move all the animations into the project and drag them onto the timeline in chronological order. Cut out unnecessary moments, zoom in if needed, and you can add music if you want. When everything is ready, click Export and render with the same settings as mine. Nothing extra is needed. Wait for the render, and let's look at the final result. It turned out great. We made a high-quality video in a viral niche using 2 tools. Make sure to share your results in the comments, and you can start your channel today. I hope you got value from this. Subscribe, and see you soon.